Let's refresh the page, and as you can see, the followers and likes on my page have increased quickly. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to increase followers and likes for your Facebook fan page. I've just created a fan page to sell products, and I want to get more followers and likes for my page. If you also want to achieve that, make sure to watch this video until the end. Let me introduce you to the MKT software. First, go to the Account Interaction section. Next, click on Add Script, the orange button at the top. Here, select the Interact by Page option. You'll set up the interaction script according to what you want. If you want to interact with multiple pages at the same time, just enter the number of pages here. Next, enter the UID of your fan page in this field. Check the options you want, such as like page, follow page, react with emotions, invite friends to follow the page, comment on the page's posts, and so on. Next, select the Facebook accounts you want to use. The more Facebook accounts you use, the more effective the results will be. Next, choose the script you just set up, then hit the Start button to begin. This is my page before anyone followed or liked it. Let's refresh the page, and as you can see, the followers and likes on my page have increased quickly.